So I went to Rare Beauty's headquarters to learn all about their new Soft Pinch Luminous blush, and I'm gonna share all the secrets, but I also did a vlog for y'all, so let's check that out first. We haven't done a vlog in a little bit, so I'm excited to integrate that back into my YouTube this week. I was not expecting this opportunity at all, but I get to go to Rare Beauty's Soft Pinch Soiree. It's a masterclass about their newest Soft Pinch Luminous powder blush. I'm just now leaving from my aunt's house to drive to the office, and they gave us specific instructions to have our base done, but to leave our cheeks free of color so that we can play with the new product. I'm so excited to learn more about this product and to see which shade that I like the best. I'm still in disbelief that I'm able to even go to this because as of right now, while I make this video, I have less than 3,000 subscribers. I don't have 5,000 followers on TikTok. I just got over 2,000 followers on Instagram. So this just goes to show, like, if you're a creator, if you're a small creator, like, you can still do fun things like this, and it's just so validating. I would love to try the blush. I know.
You guys want to do like your first? Have you guys swatched yet?
No, I haven't swatched at all. I ordered it for the Sephora sale.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and it hasn't come in yet.
Okay.
Also, I just wanted to say you're doing a great job making content. Oh, yeah. No, I love it.
Great job.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Yeah, I recognize your face. So I'm gonna try Joy because I heard that, is this Joy? Cool. Oh, yes. I'm gonna try Joy because.
Let me see. I think this is Cheer.
Is it?
But Joy. Yeah.
Oh, okay, perfect. I'm gonna try Joy because I heard that it complements your contour really well. Peachy shades in general. Watch this. Wow. It feels like a pillow. Like, I'm kind of shocked at how much it feels like a satin pillow that I sleep on at night. That's crazy.
Oh my god, I love that. That's a perfect description.
I love it. Wow. Yeah.
Is there another shade you want to try?
And I think I've been wanting to try Hope. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Okay, new finger.
Yes.
This is like the perfect nude everyday
I
pink
know, I
nude.
love Hope. So pretty, right?
I love it. Yes. So pretty. Sparkles in the light.
Yeah, wait, that is so pretty.
I love that. I can't wait for it to be on my face too. Joy is the two horizontal ones on the top, and Hope is the one on the bottom. Hope is like a duochrome. I see that like pink shift going on, which is so cool. I'm like, do I go? I'm like, do I want to do my go-to? Do I want to try something new? I should. I know. Okay, Virtue, that's a favorite. Faith, maybe I'll try Faith. Faith reminds me a little of Truth. Oh, Believe looks interesting. Believe and Love.
Believe in Love, okay.
Haven't tried these.
Very nice.
Yeah, this is Love right on the back of my hand. This is my favorite way to apply blush. This side looks more blended. Really bright, really. This side, I don't know what happened. Okay, now I'm gonna try Believe, this purpley shade.
This might be too.
I feel like I'm really liking Believe a lot more than I thought I would. Was there a shade called Love?
This one.
Okay, I'll do the other side of this one.
Yes, that's what I did too. I did Hope and Love.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll do Love on top of Love, and then Hope on top of Believe.
Like that glow.
Thank you so much. Cute little goodie bag to take home. I look like a clown, but it's all good. Now that I'm in my car, y'all can really see how much I overblush. It was such a good event, and I can't wait to be home in a couple weeks and talk about all the tips that I learned. We did the masterclass. They first of all, let's take a toiletry bag, which I love their toiletry bag so much. One of my favorites. And in this goodie bag, we got Soft Pinch, a Hope, and then I got Happy. These were the two that I really wanted. And then also an Honesty tinted lip oil, which these are all some of my favorite shades. The Hope Soft Pinch Luminous Blush is like my favorite shade out of all of them because I was looking at it and it's just a pretty neutral shade, but it has a very cool pink shift to it. Now that I'm in like proper light, see how it just goes from like a neutral to a pink? So freaking cute. And I got another one of my favorite blush brushes from them, which I'm so excited to have. The event was super educational about the new product and like how to use it with other Rare Beauty products. So the next time I do my makeup, I'm gonna talk through what I learned. At the event, they let us take home a shade, but I also got a shade during the Sephora sale. So here I have Hope and Cheer, and that's what we're gonna be using today. Something that I really like to keep in mind with my base makeup is I have a lot of texture on my face. You can't really see it right now because the camera's doing a lot of justice, but like I have pores, I have texture, I have hyperpigmentation, acne scars, so a product like this can seem really scary because it's a luminous blush, so there's a radiance to it, there's a little bit of a shimmer. But while I was there, I learned that they formulated this product with that in mind. It doesn't add texture to the skin because this product is completely talc free. They further went on to explain that this is different from highlighter because highlighter is a lot more brighter, it's a lot more reflective. If you use this powdered blush with their powdered highlight, it's gonna give a very wet look to the skin. And it's very similar to their liquid blush where a little goes a long way. But one of the most fun things right now is doing blush combos with a liquid and a powder blush, and that's exactly what we did at the masterclass. If you didn't already know, always use your liquid products before powder. It's the same case when it comes to this. These are all my liquid blushes from Rare Beauty, and I think I'm gonna go with the shade Encourage because it's a neutral pink. I think this is my favorite shade out of all of them besides Hope, but I think Encourage and Hope are fairly similar. I think it'll pair really well with Cheer, which is a soft warm pink, and Hope, which is a nude mauve shade. But before I get into application, I'm just gonna swatch these two shades. This is Cheer, and what's really cool about feeling the texture of this blush is that it literally feels like a pillow. So I'm just gonna quickly swatch that. Gorgeous, like soft, such a soft warm pink. I think it's a great summer shade. And then I'm gonna go in with a clean finger with Hope, swatch that right underneath it. And you can see the nude effect to it. And when I was talking with one of the makeup artists at the masterclass, she said she couldn't stop picking up Hope on her clients. Like every single time she was reaching for Hope, reaching for Hope. So if you're looking for a great go-to shade, it's Hope. And that's the whole reason why I picked it when I was leaving the masterclass. It was just an immediate gotcha. Now let's talk about some of the tips that they shared. The two brushes that they let us take home were this fluffy brush and this more dense blush brush. This is used for the liquid blush and this is used for the powder blush. At the masterclass, we talked about different placements of blush and kind of what's trending right now. Like right now, currently in 2024, the more lifted look is really trendy. People also really like the more sun-kissed look where they go over their nose. But the makeup artist suggested to start at the apple of the cheeks and then you can move up if you'd like. Putting the blush on the apples of your cheeks really gives you more volume to your face. I'm gonna put a little dot on the back of my hand and I'm gonna take the dense brush and I'm just gonna carefully pick that up. And to find the apples of your cheek, just do a very slight smile. So I'm gonna start right here and carefully apply it with a very light hand. I struggle with this. I love a heavy hand. So I left that Rare Beauty event with crazy blush look. And I do like the lifted look, so I'm gonna move up a little bit. The makeup artist gave the tip to use the back of their dense blush brush to blend the edges so that it's not just a straight line on your face, which I had never thought of before, and I haven't stopped doing it since. Oh my gosh, look how we look snatched. Oh my god. This formula definitely had a learning curve for me at first, and I thought it was a little bit too pigmented, but this brush changed the game for me. It was such a good investment. So now I'm just gonna go in on the other side, and you might have noticed already, but I'm not wearing concealer. And I like to do my concealer probably towards the end of my makeup routine. And while I was there, the makeup artist also went on to tell us that she likes to do concealer at the end instead of at the beginning so that it doesn't wash you out and it really keeps that angled look to your face, which I guess I just had picked up on intuitively. So we have the blush applied and you see how stark that contrast is? You see the line on my face. So I'm just gonna take the back again and just blend that out. And it really just works perfectly into my skin. Cute! And I went up to my temple as well. And I also like to add a little blush on the bridge of my nose, which I think works out really well because the makeup artist was telling us how Selena has a smaller nose, so they tend to have the blush go all the way down her nose. Whereas like if you have a more prominent nose, then just on the bridge will be the most flattering on you. I like to just do the bridge just right across, especially since it's the summer. And because I'm done with all my cream products now, I am gonna go in with a little bit concealer before I use the Soft Pinch Luminous blush. So just ever so slightly there and right there. And we'll blend this out quickly as well. Okay, it's time for the star of the show. This is difficult. I'm gonna do both sides, okay? We'll do both sides. One side for cheer, one side for hope. So I'm first gonna take the fluffy brush now and just dip into cheer. I really like how this product comes with a mirror. And I'm just gonna carefully swipe it across. I know you see that shimmer that wasn't there before. Like, you truly blush with radiance, just like their tagline. Sick. Gorgeous. Gorgeous girl. It's really hard not to go heavy-handed on this because it's so fun applying. So I'm gonna clean off my fluffy brush a bit, and then I'm gonna go in with Hope. And I'm just gonna swipe that across. What was fun was that, like, with blush combinations, like, it's just endless. Like, you have so many options. Okay. Wow. I am my cheeks are just glowing. I like to go a little heavy-handed because throughout the day I feel like my blush fades. So, and it looks a lot more intense. Like, wow, that's so pretty. So pretty. I got too excited and I ended up mixing both colors and putting it on each side, so it looks pretty much the same. But I'm loving just how glowy and pink it feels. I love a glowy pink moment. Like, I just look like I'm smiling all the time with this blush, with how glowy and how much it emphasizes my cheek. I never thought I'd be a shimmer blush girl, just because of the texture concerns that I have, but genuinely, I do enjoy this product. I think it's super fun for summer, especially just because you look your most glowy self. I also think it's really cool that Rare created this product after seeing how much their community loved using the liquid blush and the highlight together. Also, just in terms of trends, I feel like people haven't been wearing highlight as often, so the fact that they throw a more shimmery vibe to a blush kind of just marries the two together. I think it hits a market that hasn't been touched, currently at least. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've tried this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more from me, make sure you subscribe. Have a great day.